Alrighty, we're back at Sveta Gora. We are going down the same trail as last time. My bike is still breaking, but to the mechanic today, so you'll have to hear it for some more time. But otherwise, what can I say? The bolts on this bike are full of Loctite. The previous owner has filled them up with Loctite, so I broke three of my torque wrenches, T30, and I still don't know what's creaking because I opened up all the bearings on the shock, so I really don't know what's up with this creaking sound. That's why I'm taking it to the mechanic. So I also have to buy 3 new torque wrenches. I ate a fly. They are not really tasteful, I must say. So today is really beautiful day because it's not so warm. It's around 17 degrees Celsius, and I've changed the pedals to my old ones. Yes, sketchy moment there, to my old pedals, because I really didn't have much grip on my Crank Brothers one, so I've put the keys of my car to my mother so she can get me at the end of the trail. Woo! So, where was I? Yes, my old pedals. The Crank Brothers ones, I would probably have to change the pins. Whoa. I would probably have to change the pins. So I would, how would I say, have them I would have more grip because my shoes were dancing on the pedal. So that problem is solved right now, because these old pedals that I bought at B-Sport for less than, I don't know, 60 bucks are actually really good. They have a lot of grip, so that's the reason I love them so much. And also they are that oily color, which is really popular, and I must say it's really nice. It is not completely in a full color scheme on my bike, but it's still really nice. So I ain't riding that good today. I don't know why. Probably because of the brakes. They are acting weird. I've noticed that my front brakes don't have really much power. Well, probably because of the composite that is used for the pants, but I'm gonna buy some organics as I went almost OTB. Here, yesterday I lost my feet on pedals because I got bounced around, so didn't have so much grip. Yes, where was I? Yes, the pads. I'm gonna change them for the organic ones. They are much more aggressive at braking, but they also, you go through them very fast. But if you ask me, this was bound to happen one day. Because I am not really good at skinnies, and this one was quite brutal. You can see right here where I disintegrated this part. And I hit my balls again. Oh fuck. Where was I with the brakes? Yes, organic ones from... Oh shit, I haven't noticed this. And it's back on. I hope that I won't have to do this again, this ride, so we are where was I? Yes, the organic pets from Sinter. So I'm gonna ride those. I'm gonna see how the brakes will perform. Otherwise I will have to buy new brakes. So let's see. But I think the front, but I think that new brakes will do the trick. So 30 seconds. Alrighty. Since the Black Cat is closed, we're gonna take the classic Queen Trail to the this is a part of Black Cat, but the next part of Black Cat is closed, so I overrode the sign last time, so because they are cutting the wood. So this time I will show you the original way down the Kraljica trail. So Queen Trail, yes. We are, this is like a drop or something, I don't know. Gap, small gap, not even a wheel length long, so woo. We are continuing down the Kraljica trail per usual. These jumps, we'll see how today will go. We are probably already filled up with this trail, but oh, fuck off. Ah, shit. Oh, thanks to the proper. Oh, this one was bad. I should not really have done that. Oh, thanks to the proper wear to those 510 shoes, they saved my ankle from getting snapped in half. I can see now I've done some damage to the wheel. Not a problem. Alrighty. I've also pushed the seat all the way down, so I will have to rearrange it when I come home, but now it will stay the same because it is only going to the bike shop after the ride, so I don't really need to worry about this. Down the famous Wich trail. Whoa. Okay, something isn't right down there. I will have to check it. See you at the top. Alrighty, I haven't had a really big break because I'm rushing to meet my mother at the end of the trail, so this is really where the 29-inch wheels perform steep rocky stuff. But the Ransom is also good at free ride. Yeah. Whoa. On the limit there. Really on the limit, must say. Woo. Big suicide no-hander from me here. I have weeded the trail with my brother the other day, so it's running surprisingly fast now, but otherwise it's really good. Oh, here's the worst part for me, but now it ain't no problem for us no more. Nope. There left is another line that you could ride, but I can't really, you really cannot turn there because it's, in my opinion, too steep. I really cannot do that, but probably some better riders can. Whoa, two-wheel drift from me there. Woohoo! Really nice. Here we should make a gap, but in the future, not now. These brakes need to be warmed up before they really start to work. So that's it for today, boys. See you in the next one. Ci vediamo, ragazzi.